Ayan. Hello everyone, Coach Dang here, and today I want to talk about our products, Super Greens and Super Reds, and how these products change my everyday life and it could change yours too. For years, ininda ko yung sakit ng ulo ko, and pag pupunta kami ng clinic, bibigyan lang ako ng pain reliever kasi hindi naman ako low blood at hindi din naman ako high blood. So, I decided last year, December, na magpa-laboratory test to know kung ano ba talaga yung dahilan ng pananakit ng ulo ko. And it turns out na mataas pala yung aking cholesterol. I was given medication and hindi naman talagang nawala yung sakit ng ulo ko. So nung February, nagpa-check up ulit ako kasi muntik na akong himatayin. And again, hindi ako high blood, hindi ako low blood. At yung cholesterol level ko ay bumaba na din. So, siguro dahil sobrang init at that time. At dahil doon, balik na naman tayo sa pain reliever. Ayan. So, ito yung binigay ng doktor. So, February, bumili din kami nito. Actually, naubos ko na yung apat to. Naubos ko na yung dalawa. So, ayan. Okay. And then, dumating na yung in-order ko na mga products from Live Good. Kasama na itong dalawang super duper awesome product na talaga naman nawala yung sakit ng ulo ko from the very first day na ininom ko ito. So, ay grabe, nakaka-inlove siya. Ayan, and unlike other brand na moringa lang, barley lang, dito, itong Super Greens namin, meron siyang 11 super healthy ingredients inside. Okay? So, there is organic alfalfa, organic wheatgrass, organic barley, organic oatgrass, organic chlorella, organic spirulina, organic matcha green tea, organic moringa leaf, organic aloe vera, organic dulce, and organic dandelion leaf. So, napakaraming benefits ng Super Greens. And kung constipated ka, you should be taking this too. Okay? So, it's such a great product. And talagang, I swear, my headache is gone after taking these two products. It's very, very awesome. And so, kasi, di ba, ang dami nating gustong gawin and we can't do it kasi palagi na lang masakit yung ulo natin. Kahit humilata pa tayo maghapon, wala ding nangyari, masakit pa rin yung ulo ko. I am so grateful and so thankful na na-invite ako dito sa Live Good. And luckily, I take that opportunity right away. Live Good offers high-quality, organic, USDA-certified products with affordable prices. And also, Live Good gives you an opportunity to earn while you're at home like me. Dahil sa Live Good, goodbye. If you want to order this awesome, super awesome products of Live Good, I will put my link at the comment section below. And if you want to know more about Live Good and if you want to join our growing team, message me right away. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.